Hi everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of UltData. We click on settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this list we will search about UltData and we click here in this page. In this window of app info, we click on first stop and we click OK. Then we'll enter to storage. Here we click on clear cache. Then we'll turn off your Wi-Fi and you will turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.